The classic, the one that everybody thinks about, is a slip and fall case or a trip and fall case. If you have a hazard on a premises and somebody slips and falls or trips and falls, that can be a premises liability case. Another premises liability case can be where the premises itself has a problem. For instance, if you have a balcony that falls, that can be a premises liability case. It is something that, at least as to the landowner. Now, as to the designer, the architect, etc., there may be a different liability there, but that can be a premises liability case. Another type of premises liability case would be for keeping of animals, and that doesn't sound much like a premises liability case, but it really is, because most of the time when we have somebody that keeps a dangerous animal, what we're really suing them for is the fact that they kept a dangerous animal in an unsafe manner, and they knew or should have known that animal could cause harm, and the animal does cause harm. That's typically what we have to look at. So those are considered premises liability cases as well. It's a little broader than people think. It is a subcategory of negligence, but it is a negligent. It's maintaining a negligent condition of the property as opposed to undertaking a negligent activity. Now it would seem like that would be a relatively simple distinction, but it's really not. There have been many law review articles written about whether or not a particular activity is a negligent activity or whether or not it is a negligent maintenance of property. And because the standards are different, because the laws are different there, that is something that a personal injury lawyer is needed many times, just to make sure that we're pleading the case right. Because if you plead the case wrong in situations like this, you can lose it. It's much harder to prove a premises liability case than it is to prove a general negligence case, but that doesn't mean it's impossible. It is something that we do all the time. We do every day at the McCraw Law Group.